Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Gonna bring to you today a 2019 Freightliner Coronado glider kit. It's built with a factory reman 12.7 Detroit 13 speed. It's got 350 on the clock. I've gotten it warm today. Gonna show you oil pressure, blow by, full walk around, underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, everything that you'd want to see as if you were standing here. Let's get rolling. Around 25 on the low side, revs up nicely, gets up to 50 pretty easy. Clean inside, like I said, 13 speed. Nicely equipped midroof, got a fridge in the back. Nice and roomy Freightliner. Really nice truck, straight, body's clean, paint's great, doesn't look beat up or anything on the outside. Southern truck, no rust anywhere. Brakes. Nice clean truck overall. If you need anything, you can always call me or text me to 901-896-4526. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.